Basic English versus Advanced English. I'm listening to you. I'm all ears. Send me a message later. Hit me up later. It's time to study. It's time to hit the book. My mistake. My bad. Go with the flow. Play it by ear. Stop wasting time. Stop sitting around. I haven't seen you for ages. Long time no see. I'm not interested. It's not my cup of tea. I agree with you. Same here. Give me more details. Fill me in. I feel sad. I feel blue. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I made a mistake. I screwed up. I understand you. I feel you. I have no money. I'm broke. I like you. I'm into you. I'm very tired. I'm beat. Text me. Hit me up. I don't know. Beats me. Good luck. Break a leg. I fell asleep. I nodded off. How are you? How is it going? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Hurry up. Chop chop. Give it a try. Give it a shot. I'm happy. I'm over the moon. Leave me alone. Give me a break.